Hi guys, Tales from the Workshop, Sunday afternoon. An update on some of the products now on the Etsy site. Don't know where the Etsy store is, there's a link in the description. Take you straight to my store on there, but let's get on with it. So we have small board. This is a half and half, so it's half butcher's block and then normal oak on the back, then our little squares of oak. Nice thing to put in your pack. I like to take a board when I go out for preparing food, serving food. Just nice to have in your pack. So that's the half and half I've got in stock at the minute. I've just sold the other one. I do have at the moment a small full butcher's block, which again is designed for taking out with you, preparing and serving food on when you're out. But if you want this one, you have to be quick because there's somebody waiting in the wings that's got their eye on it, as it were. And then I just do a normal board. Again, this one's pack size. These are all in the Etsy shop, as I've said, so head over and have a look. And if you don't want to buy from the Etsy store, just contact me direct and I'll sort them out for you.